Hello, YouTube. Hope everyone's doing okay. It's that time again. It's that time to play What's in the Box. That's right. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a box. And it says Simpson. Simpson. Driven by performance. What could it be? Let's find out. I especially like playing What's in the Box when it hasn't been opened before. Pretty much like that about anything I buy. I know you do too. Okay. Let's see here. It says thank you. Awesome. Wait, there's some cautions. Can't read that. Can't read that. Need help? Wait. What does that say? Simpson 3100 PSI 2.3 GPM premium gas pressure washer. Yay! Tractor Supply had this on sale. $270, which isn't great, but it was $50 less than their normal price, so I jumped on it. And at $280, it's about the same price as buying a used one, without the uncertainty of the condition of it. Look before you pump. That's always good advice. Ethanol percentage. Nothing above 10%. I don't plan on using ethanol in this. Since it's a small motor with a carburetor, I will probably only use petroleum. No ethanol. Engine shipped without oil. That's always good to know. Let's see. Oh, look. Instruction. I guess. Instructions. Oh, I have to break open the package. With a dull blade. Yes, that always works well. I'm gonna guess that's the chemical feeder hose, but I could be wrong on that. Let's see here. CRX210 Gasoline Engine Operator's Manual. Please read this manual carefully before operation. Okay. Let's see here. We have the Federal Exhaust and evaporative emissions control warranty statement. Okay. Quick start guide. I'll be consulting that. All right, let's see what we got here. We got these look like tips. Yep. Very good, very cool. And what else we got here? We have a tip cleaner. Specialized tool, that is. And a knob. And another knob. Alright, so that's that. So this is a bag. Oh, it's part of the handle, I guess. Simpson 3100 PSI 2.3 GPM premium gas pressure washer. And that's where the tips go. Okay, not bad. And there's the handle. Haha! Hehe! Okay. All right. And there's the hose. That's nice. Very nice. I'm sure that will last approximately 2 weeks. No, I'm just kidding. That probably lasts a long time. There's the metal extension for the wand. It's not bad, not bad. Okay. And that leaves us with the actual pressure washer. Now, how am I going to get that out without rupturing a disc and not destroying the box? Oh, I know. Just like that. Oh, what we got here? Premium 4-cycle motor oil. We'll be using that. And $16 ounces of oil. Okay. And there's the box. Hey, that's a better picture right there. Not bad, not bad. Rumor has it these are Honda engine, but I doubt that. I doubt they're Honda. They're probably some generic Chinese engine, but that's okay. All right, limited warranty. 2 years on the engine, 2 years on the pump, and 5 years on the frame. Made in USA. So we'll see. And all right, that's it for this video. I'm probably going to attempt to put this set together. I don't know if I recorded or not, but anyway, stay safe. Be careful. Bye-bye.